Indonesia accounts for almost 7.8 million tons of plastic waste annually. It is estimated that 62.8% or 4.8 million tons remain unprocessed. Plastic waste management in Indonesia has not decreased significantly and only stagnant around 16 until 18% annually. The volume of waste generated in Indonesia in 2022 will reach 19.5 million tons. So, why did we choose the theme and such as a problem statement? And what kind of problems do we want to tackle? Alright, let's check this out. Sustainable living is a very crucial issue, especially in our country, Indonesia. And by using the new system, it is hoped that it can help sort waste more effectively. Sorting waste in Indonesia isn't something that the majority of people do, and we believe that using technologies doing it will be much easier. This project helps people manage their plastic waste by trying to identify what type of plastic. It is using machine learning and giving a list of articles on how to process it.
Hello, my name is Kartika. So I want to explain our feature and application flow. Our main feature is to give the user the type of plastic that is recognized in the image that they've uploaded and also some articles that are related to the plastic type. The step is very simple. From the main page, click the camera button on the bottom right and then the image picking page will be shown. Users can choose whether to take the image from the camera or the gallery. After the picture is successfully taken, the user must click the Unggah button to upload the image. If plastic is recognized in the image as one of the type of plastics, the system will tell the user that the classification process is done, and if there isn't, the system will tell the user no plastic is recognized. After that, the user can click the Lanjut button and continue to the article list page. On this page, the type of plastic will be shown with the list of article that is related to the plastic type. To read the article, the user needs to click the article on the list and the system will be directing the user to the browser to open the article. So, that's all about our feature and application flow.
I'm Jan Orienting, and here I will explain the machine learning workflow from the Recyclass application. We can see that our machine learning workflow is divided into 4 sections, namely data collection, data pre-processing, model training and validation, and model deployment. In the data collection section, we use one image object in 7 classes, consisting of PET, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP, PS, and others. In the data pre-processing section, the dataset is divided into 735 training data and 315 validation data. After that, we did checking the image whether the image format supports TensorFlow or not. After the image has been checked and supported by TensorFlow, the next step is scaling and data augmentation so that the image can be processed by models and the image can be varied. After that, the dataset is ready to be trained by the model. In the model training and validation section, we use a transfer learning model, namely MobileNet V2, and get high accuracy and low loss with a bit of hyperparametric tuning. After obtaining good accuracy and loss, the next step is in the model deployment section. In this section, we save the model in H5 format so that it can be processed by the CCT.
Hello, my name is Umadu Laksmana. I will discuss the process carried out by the cloud computing team on the Recyclass project. This test includes 1. Creating a Google Cloud architecture diagram for the Recyclass project. 2. API creation using the Fast API framework. 3. Docker file creation. 4. Uploading the Docker file to the container registry image. 5. Deploy using the Cloud Run service. Next, I will explain a cloud computing architecture use the cloud computing team. In this project, we use the Fast API framework as the intermediary API between the request from user through Recyclass mobile application and the response from TensorFlow machine learning modeling. Then we deploy the machine learning model and the API to the cloud run service, which is then stored in the container registry. Next, I will explain the target market of the Recyclass. Our project has a target market in the terms of age, profession, and hobbies. Then our solution is important to our target market because purpose the use machine learning is store plastic waste the effective solution to reduce plastic waste in the Indonesia. Data show the stagnation of the plastic waste around 60 until 18% per year, so organized action is needed. Government rationale. Our solution helps the government in waste management with the more effective tools and can collaborate with existing systems. And less related parties. Government and waste management companies are the parties involved and benefit from our solution. With our solution, we support effective plastic waste management and help reduce its negative impact. Next, I hand over to Andy Huangwijaya.
Hi, I am Andi Huangwijaya and I will presenting about budgeting and sustainability. The first slide is our plan for 5K funding. We have combined employee salaries and research and operational costs. In the slide 2, our plan for 4K funding, we have include future projection by adding market expense, future update, and other expense like tax and other. For the next slide is sustainability. On this slide, we have highlighted the key source of income for our application and our efficiency priority. For our source income, we rely on subscription and sales, amounting to 25 million rupiah per month. Additionally, we have secure round of funding with 140 million rupiah from Bangkit and 200 million rupiah from Merah Putih Inc. government. Now, let's move to talk about our efficiency priority. First, simplifying day-to-day operation to reduce spending while maintaining productivity. Second is prioritizing fund toward project that add value to company, reducing costs on future development and infrastructure maintenance. Lastly, we have our budgeting expenses slide, presenting the breakdown of expense for both the 5K funding and 10K funding scenario. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Comparing Recyclass with other applications, Recyclass has a 50% better performance on identifying 7 types of plastic waste, as it uses machine learning to do it, and makes it easier for people to sort plastic waste. Throughout 2023, we have 4 milestones to achieve within the first $5,000 of funding. Development of new features in July, collaborating with local SMEs and recycling facilities in August, launching of the applications in October, trying to sustain the business model, and expand operations to further regions in Indonesia.